I have a hardy hibiscus plum fantasy that I have in a full sun location. This is the 4th season since planting it. Every summer it has multiplied and gotten up to 6 feet tall. This year I only have 2 new stalks coming from the base. Why does my hibiscus not have as many stalks this year as in years past? Can you give me any suggestions? And this is Kurt in Bartlett, Tennessee. So why not the stalks this year, right? Why not so many as in years past?
My thought is that in November we had very single teen digit temperatures. I mean, nothing got to harden off. And so the carbohydrate reserves that were in the leaves that were trying to, you know, if it had been a normal temperature, would have gone down into the roots, and so it would have more strength to come back. Well, at least it got 2 of them. And what I say is, I mean, it's a beautiful hibiscus. Fertilize, keep it watered, you know, take care of it this summer. The more carbohydrates you can get it to be able to put it into the root system again, the better it's going to be. So I think she's fine, but that's probably the reason why is this freeze last November that really took all of the plant world by surprise.
Yeah, so my first thought went straight to that freeze that we had in November. And then of course there was another one in April.
Yes.
So it's the double whammy.
Yeah.
So yeah, those carbohydrates didn't have a chance to get down into the root system, so couldn't save all of them.
No.
So maybe it'll come back for them, but just be patient.
Yeah, and just keep fertilizing it and watering it during the growing season and build it up, and it hopefully will do better next year.
Hope it does. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.